Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Mirian Dike, likewise my channel name. This video is all about how I made my oven egg roll. My oven egg roll is always in two different methods. So in this video, I will share one with you. For the ingredients I use, just check the description box and you will see all you need to know. So thank you so much once again and keep watching. So right now I'm adding 3 teaspoons of salt on the vanilla sugar. Mix all together and set it aside. Keep watching. So here I'm using all the flour because of the quantity I want to do. I just want it to be on a large quantity. That is the reason I'm using all the flour. That is 1 kilo, and which is equivalent to 10 cups of flour. If you're using cup, it means 10 cups of flour. Then I'm using, as you can see now, I just added it, baking powder, mix it together before adding the sugar, mix it again together, and then go ahead and add the butter. This butter, just check the description box, you'll see the exact quantity I used here. So after washing my hands, I'll now mix it thoroughly. Just make sure that the butter and the sugar, everything you have there, mix very well. That is, they all come together very well. Once it is in this texture, as you're looking at it here, just look at it there. Once it is like that, then you know that you got what you want. Then go ahead, add warm water. Warm water. Yes, that's what I'm using to mix it. Not cold water, but warm water. This warm water will make the dough to be very soft. So after working it with your hands, this is the way it's supposed to be. Just take a look at that. Very soft. Yeah, very soft. Put it back on the bowl and cover it with folio, or you can go ahead and cover it with towel. Anything you have at home that is very neat, coverable, just make use of it to cover it just for 5 minutes before we go to the next step. So next time I'll share with you guys the second method I'm using to make my oven egg roll. So after 5 minutes, it's time to do the real work. Roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it. Spread it very well. If you have a bigger board, baking board, chopper board, it's more better. You will make sure that you roll it, spread it in a way that it will contain more of what you want to cut out. So I just cut that place out because you can see that my board is small. That's the one I have for now, but later I'm going to buy bigger one. Yeah, but I'm just making use of what I have at home for now. So that is it. Here I just want to show you guys many ways you can do it. Right now I'm using plastic plates, round plates, to cut it off. After, you'll see again, if you don't have round plastic plates, you can go ahead, just cut off the quantity you know that will be enough for you to roll before adding the egg on it. So this is the way it's supposed to be. It's not supposed to be very light, but a little bit thick before you put in the egg. Yeah, that's the way it's supposed to be. So with this method, you don't need to cut out any dough. Just look at how I'm doing it. Yeah, after making sure that everywhere is well closed, go ahead and roll it, roll it, and roll it, roll it like a ball. Yes, just to make sure that everywhere is well closed. Then start working with the next one. So this is another method you can use, guys. Just cut off the one you want. Make sure that it's thick enough, and then spread it a little, add the egg on it, and close it. You have to make sure that you cut off some dough. Yeah, because it's going to be so much if you leave it like that. So that is it. Keep on repeating the method till you finish. So guys, here is the remaining dough. You're going to see how I'm going to do it. This is another style. Once I have any dough that is remaining, I'll just put it in a shape that will be very attractive to my kids and very yummy too. And not only that, I always do this if I find out that the egg I have at that moment is not enough. I mean, the one I have in normal sense, 1 kilo of flour, that is 10 cups, will make 22 or 24 egg rolls. But because I have used some to prepare kids' breakfasts, I don't want to start going to shopping to go and buy only eggs. So I just make use of the remaining eggs that I have at that moment. So that's what happened and there. So what will I do? I always fix myself, or I don't need much stress. So this is the way I'll make it. Put it together with the egg roll and bake all of them together. But this small one, I used to call it Rolle because I always roll, so I call it Rolle. That's the name I give it. So here I'm going to put it in the oven, bake it 45 minutes at 180 degrees, depending on the setting of your oven. Just take a look at my Rolle. Don't allow your own to get burnt like mine, because I left it and went to eat myself. That's the reason it got burnt. Yeah, but it's very, very yummy, guys. And now just take a look at that. Oh my goodness. Take a look at that egg roll. Very, very yummy, guys. Just take a look at that. No bond. So this is the way it's supposed to be. Yeah, and let me show you guys the inside of the egg roll. Guys, you really need to taste this egg roll. It's very, very sweet, and the texture, everything came out very well, very good. This is not my first time of doing it. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Bye bye.